Hello children, how are you? Good morning. Hope all are well. Today's topic function of flower. In previous video already discuss about parts of flower, how can define flower. Here we will discuss about function of flower. To this topic taken from class 4 CBSE pattern. This is Amita. Welcome to our Science Fact channel. So let's start. Before we start, I will request all please subscribe, like and more share and press red button for upcoming notification and knowledgeable topic with this video. And in this video already taken chapter wise topic and class wise topic. You can easily find out. If any query, any question, please drop comment message in this video description box. I will find out and give you answer. So let's start before without any wasting time. Here we can see on your screen common flower parts. This is a flower. This topic for fourth class student, third to fourth. This is a common flower. Here stigma, style, ovary, flax like structure. This is a stigma, style and ovary. In previous session already discussed parts of flower. Here only function. So this is a previous session. We already know this is a flax like structure called female reproductive parts of flower. This is called pistil or carpel. Pistil or carpel include stigma, the top of the flower is stigma, and tube like structure called style, and here flax like structure called ovary. This is a sepal leaf like structure and petal. Inside the sepal the circle are around and form the circle around, inside the sepal. This is called petal. Petal is a very beautiful attractive part of a flower. Petal have a very different size, found in very different size and various size and color and shape, and very attractive and beautiful part of the flower. Okay, and this is a filament attached. This is a filament, and top of the top this yellow structure you can see on your screen. This is a teeny top attached to the filament. This part is called male reproductive organ. So stamen is a male reproductive organ. Stamen consists anther and filament, and pistil and carpel female reproductive organ, stigma, style and ovary. In previous session already discussed this topic. Here we will come topic function of flower. So let's start. Seeds are found in fruits. Seeds are found in fruits. We already know children. We eat fruits like apple, and you notice that seeds are found in fruits. Okay, pomegranate, apple, watermelon. This is a fruits we eat daily in our life. So we notice that seeds are found in fruits. Okay, the seeds in present in fruits. Flowers withered and change into fruit. Simple thing. The flowers withered and change into fruit means flower is capable for change into fruit. Fruits have seeds inside them, and when conditions are favorable, seeds germinate and grow into new plants. Okay, so seeds function of flower begin seeds. We already know seeds are found in fruits inside them. And yes, and flowers wither and change into fruits have seeds inside them. When conditions are favorable, when condition are suitable for seed germination, then seed germination occur and grow into new plant and produce into new plants when condition are favorable for seed germination. Okay, so seeds are, where are seed present in plant? Seeds are found in fruit. Seeds are already present in fruits. Flowers wither and change into fruits. Okay, flowers capable for change into fruits, and fruits have seed inside them. Okay, the seeds present inside the inside of flower when condition inside of fruit. Okay, and flowers without change into fruit. So process flower change into fruit and seed inside them when condition are favorable for germination. Seed germinate and grow into new plant. Okay, so next slide will come and take in next topic. This is a new plants grow from seed. This is a function of flower. This is a very clearly diagram show on your screen. You can easily see this and draw in your notebook. This is a flower. Okay, flower withered and change into fruit. This is a seed. This is the apple. Seed inside them, found in inside them. You can see here, this is a seed, and seed when favorable condition found, new plant develop from seeds. Okay, so new plant grow from seed. Here we can see on your very easy method and very useful diagram on your screen. Okay, very interesting. Flower withered and change into fruit and seed present inside them, and when suitable condition favorable, then seed grow new plant and new young ones. Okay, produce them for itself own. So this is a flower change into fruit and seed inside them, present inside them. Where question arose in our mind, where is the seed present in plant or flower? So we can see you give answer one word, seed present and found in seed present or found in inside the fruit. Okay, imitate the fruit, where you can see easily seen in apple. You can eat daily in your home. The seeds is inside them. This seed convert into new plant when germinate into new plant, or we can say here germinate into new plant when germinate when then condition favorable of this seed germination. Okay, so seed germinate new plant. You can see on your screen, this is a very clearly diagram, seed germinate new plant. Okay, so here we can see the primary purpose of a fruit flower is reproduction. What is the primary purpose or primary function of a flower? The you can say the primary purpose of a flower is reproduction. Okay, main function of flower is reproduction, because flower has a contain reproductive, include a reproductive part of plants, female and male both. Okay, you can easily see in previous slides and previous video. I will put up in this previous video link in this video description box. So parts of flowers already discussed in previous session, female and male reproductive part of flower of the plant. The primary function or primary purpose of a flower is reproduction, because having a male and female reproductive parts. Okay, since the flowers are the reproductive organs of plant, so you can say here already you know, okay, since the flower are reproductive organs of plant a plant, because having a female and male reproductive part of plant, they meditate the joining of the sperm. They join female and male reproductive parts join and joining of the sperm and contain within pollen to the ovules. Okay, contain in ovary. Pollination is movement of pollen from the anthers to the stigma. So you can see this is a very important line. Pollination is movement of pollen. You can say here pollination is movement of pollen from the anthers to the stigma. This is the anther and this is a stigma. Anthers to the stigma. Pollination, which process the movement of pollen. Here pollen anther to stigma. The pollen enter to stigma and reach out the ovule and female reproductive part and fuse them and produce new ones. Okay, so this is a very important and clearly function showing here on your screen. This is a very interesting fact. So next slide will come. Here we can see here these some content available on your screen. What is the function of flower? Okay, so this question arouse in our mind. What is the function of flower? Give one answer. This is a flower. The flower help the plant to reproduce because having a female and main reproductive part of a plant. Okay, so this is the main function of flower. Only one word you can give answer. The flower helps the plant to reproduce young ones or young plants when favorable condition comes, then seed germinates and new ones and new plants. Okay, so the flower help the plant to reproduce. Okay, so what is the function of flower? The flower help the plant to reproduce. This is a flower, so you can see on your screen. Here's next content, function of flower. This is a 3 point. The function of flower is to make seed. We already know the seed found inside them, inside the flower. Though the function of flower is make seed, flower are also important because they are part of reproductive system of plant. Flower is a very beautiful and attractive part of a plant because they also part of the reproductive system of the plant. So flowers are very important for plant. Okay, the function of flower, firstly taken, the function of a flower is to make seed because you can see an apple and a watermelon and some fruits you can see and you can eat every day. You eat, so you notice that the seed found inside them, inside the flower. So main function of a flower is make seed. And second point we will take, flower are also important because they are part of the reproductive system of the plant. Okay, so this is a very important reproductive part of the plant. Third point we will take, the petals on the flower attract bees and other pollinators. So this is a petals. You can see this is in previous session already discussed about petals, sepals. So petal is a having various size, shape and color and very beautiful part of a plant, part of a flower and having different fragrance. So I feel sometime happiness. Okay, so the petals on the flower attract bees and pollinators. So this is a function of flower. Thus the female parts of function, pistil is the female reproductive part of a flower. Stigma, sticky pollen receptive part of the pistil. This is a diagram of, you can see easily seen here. This is a pistil. Pistil contain stigma, style, ovary and ovule. This is a female reproductive part of the flower. The pistil is the female reproductive part of a flower. Consists stigma. This part is stigma, sticky bulb that catch pollen grain. Stigma main function catch pollen grain from the anthers. Okay, so stigma, sticky bulb like structure. You can see on your screen this diagram of female reproductive part. This is a stigma, bulb like structure, sticky and catch pollen grain from the anthers. Okay, and third point is style, the stalk of the pistil down which the pollen tube grows. This is a style, the stalk of the pistil. Style, this is a stalk of the pistil which pollen tube. This is a pollen tube grows into the down. And ovary. This is a ovary. Ovary contains the ovule and becomes the fruit. Main function of ovary contains the ovule. Ovary contains the ovule and becomes the fruit. And ovule becomes the seed when sperm cell fertilize the egg cell. Okay, ovule. Ovary contain ovule. Ovule found inside the ovary and ovary contain ovule and becomes the fruit. Ovule becomes the seed seed inside them, and when sperm cell fertilize becomes the seed, when sperm cell fertilize and produce egg cell. Okay, so this is a very important function of flower. Here we can see next, contain the sexual organs for the plant. Flower contain the sexual organ for the plant. You already know this is a female part, reproductive part, and male reproductive part. Produce fruit which protects, nourish, and carries seed. Flower produce fruits which protects nourishment and carries seed. Attract insect for pollination. Flower attract insect for pollination. Okay. What process of pollination? The pollen grain move to the stigma and goes down and fertilize to seeds and produce egg cell. Okay, so this is a function of flower. So we will finish this video, and you can easily define here, and any query, any message, drop in this video description box. Stay tuned. God bless. Take care. Defeat to coronavirus. Think positive. Do positive. Thank you.